My greetings, dear participants of the conference. My name is Andriy Palamar. I'd like to represent the result of our research on a topic real-time health monitoring computer system based on Internet of Medical Things. The demand of continuous health monitoring and personalized healthcare solutions has grown exponentially. Elderly individuals, in particular, often require vigilant oversight and timely intervention to address health concerns. However, the majority of family members and caregivers find themselves constrained by the demand of their daily routines, limiting their ability to provide constant in-person care. To address these evolving healthcare needs, the development of an effective and reliable system for real-time health monitoring becomes relevant. Such a system should not only provide continuous insights into a person's health status, but also enable healthcare professionals to remotely access and analyze vital health data, facilitating early diagnosis. The Internet of Medical Things holds the promise of fulfilling these requirements by seamlessly integrating connectivity technologies, medical devices, and sensors. The primary goal of this work is to design and implement a cost-effective and accurate health monitoring system based on Internet of Medical Things. This system aims to provide vital signs real-time monitoring, including temperature and pulse oximetry, for patients with chronic illnesses and individuals seeking improving health management. Ultimately, the goal is to enhance the patient's care efficiency, decrease healthcare costs, and refine overall healthcare outcomes. The proposed health monitoring system is a comprehensive structure that seamlessly integrates various components to enable real-time monitoring and data analysis. The key components of this system include ESP32 module, temperature sensor, pulse oximeter and heart rate sensor, OLED display, IoT cloud server, and computer. An electrical scheme of the design health monitoring model for the proposed system is shown in this slide. The sensor U1 is responsible for accurately measuring body temperature. The sensor U2 concurrently monitors pulse rate and blood oxygen saturation levels. Both sensors are connected to the ESP32 module through the I2C communication protocol. This microcontroller acts as the central processing unit, collecting, processing, and displaying the health data obtained from the sensors on the OLED display. To ensure continuous operation, the system is powered by a rechargeable battery, providing a portable and self-contained solution for health monitoring. The software for the microcontroller of the design system was developed using the Variant programming language. It is responsible for the collecting, processing, displaying, and transferring vital signs data efficiently. The code fragment for ESP32 microcontroller, which is responsible for processing data obtained from the sensor and calculating the heart rate, is shown in this slide. The hardware prototype of the health monitoring model is illustrated in this figure. The components of the prototype are arranged on the breadboard and connected using wires. This image demonstrates the functionality of the health monitoring system and how it captures and displays real-time health data when a finger is placed on the sensors. The OLED display shows the measured health parameters including pulse rate, blood oxygen saturation level, and body temperature. The experimental results demonstrated a high degree of precision in capturing the vital health data. The microcontroller effectively accumulated and transmitted data wirelessly to the cloud-based IoT platform ThinkSpeak in real time. The measurement results of health data are shown in this figure. These results have demonstrated the effectiveness of the design system in providing real-time, accurate, and reliable health data measurements. The collected health data can be leveraged for advanced data analytics and predictive modeling. This opens up possibilities for identifying patterns, trends, and early warning signals of health conditions. The system exhibited minimal response time, enabling quick detection of health anomalies and the generation of timely alerts. Let me now come to some conclusions. This paper proposed a system with the ability to remotely monitor patients' health parameters. This ensured timely access to health information, enabling rapid responses to changing health conditions. This is especially valuable in situations where in-person monitoring is challenging or impossible. The real-time nature of the system allows for the early detection of health anomalies and deviation from baseline measurements. This capability is particularly valuable in preventing adverse health events and improving healthcare outcomes. By leveraging Internet of Medical Things technologies, it was showcased the potential to transform delivery of healthcare, enhance patient care, and contribute to the advancement of intelligent information systems in medicine. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, I will be glad to answer them.